Hello everyone. This video is about an easy, attractive, and unusual knit. It is ideal for a spring-autumn cardigan or a light sweater. It is suitable for knitting with any yarn of medium thickness. The scheme consists of 2 loops and 2 rows. We start with an even number of loops on the wrong side. The first row is on the wrong side. We will work with loops in pairs. After the edge loop, purl the second loop. Make a yarn over loop, and purl the first. Again, purl the second loop. Yarn over, and purl the first. Purl the second loop, yarn over, and purl the first. The second row is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl 1 and knit 2 together through the back. Again, purl 1 and knit 2 together through the back. Purl 1 and knit 2 together through the back. I have introduced you to a knit with attractive texture and relief that will add elegance to any garment or accessory. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Not Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.